So you want to look better than other women. Most advice out there will tell you that it takes a small fortune and a miracle to stand out. $100 serums, fitness influencers yelling at you to just do squats, and self-love posts that don't actually teach you anything useful. And after all that effort, someone will still call you basic. But looking better than other women is way easier than people think. You don't need plastic surgery, and you definitely don't need to spend 3 hours a day blending your foundation like it's an Olympic sport. The truth is, looking better than other women isn't about following every beauty trend or breaking the bank for designer clothes. It's about understanding the unwritten rules of attraction and focusing on the things that actually work. Number 1. Feel beautiful and attractive. Have you ever wondered why some women just seem to effortlessly attract attention, while others fade into the background? The truth is, attractiveness begins from within. It's not just about physical features, it's about how you feel about yourself. Confidence is the real game changer. When you feel beautiful, it naturally radiates outward, and people can't help but notice. Think about it. How often do we look in the mirror and focus on our flaws? What if instead you took a moment to acknowledge your unique qualities? Maybe it's your captivating eyes, your infectious laugh, or the way you light up a room when you walk in. These are the things that make you you. Embracing them is the first step to truly feeling beautiful. Notice how confident women carry themselves. They don't necessarily have perfect features, but they have a glow. They believe in their worth, and that belief is magnetic. Imagine walking into a room with your shoulders back, head held high, and owning the space. Can you feel the difference that makes? But what if you don't feel attractive right now? Start small. Begin by smiling more. It's amazing how something as simple as a smile can transform your mood and how others perceive you. Smiling doesn't just show that you're happy, it signals confidence, and when you smile, the world often smiles back. Over time, this practice becomes natural, and the more you believe in your beauty, the more others will see it too. Number 2. Prioritize hygiene. Have you ever met someone who just seemed to have it all together? It's often not about their clothes or makeup, but about how they carry themselves. Clean, fresh, and confident. Good hygiene is the foundation of attractiveness, and it's about more than looking good. It's about feeling great from the inside out. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing shower, letting the water wash away the fatigue, making you feel renewed. This simple act sets the tone for your entire day. Think about it. When you feel clean, don't you also feel more confident and ready to take on the world? Now let's talk about the little details. Clean, shiny hair can make a huge difference. Have you ever noticed how a quick wash or a spritz of dry shampoo can lift your spirits? It's not just about looks, it's about feeling fresh and vibrant. And what about skincare? Healthy, glowing skin starts with a good cleansing and moisturizing routine. These small habits improve not just your appearance, but your confidence too. Number 3. Choose a signature fragrance. See, have you ever been captivated by someone's scent? It's an invisible yet powerful tool in the art of attraction. Fragrance isn't just about smelling good. It's about expressing your personality and leaving a lasting impression. Have you found your signature scent yet? Think of fragrance as your personal calling card. The right perfume can evoke memories, stir emotions, and make you unforgettable. Ever walked past someone and instantly felt drawn to them because of their scent. That's the magic of fragrance. It speaks volumes without saying a word. But choosing the right perfume isn't always straightforward. It's a journey of self-discovery. Are you someone who loves light floral notes that evoke a sense of freshness and youth, or do you prefer deep, spicy scents that exude mystery and allure? The right fragrance is like an extension of your identity. Number 4. Creating your best look. Have you ever noticed how much of a difference a well-styled appearance makes? Your hairstyle, for instance, acts as a frame for your face, enhancing your overall look. Choose a hairstyle that's simple to maintain and fits your hair texture and daily routine. Whether it's sleek, curly, or natural, finding the right style can boost your confidence every single day. If hairstyling isn't your thing, a chic and vibrant headscarf can effortlessly elevate your appearance, offering a unique and attractive alternative. When it comes to clothing, it's not about splurging on designer pieces or chasing the latest trends. Instead, focus on clean, well-fitting clothes that highlight your shape and make you feel amazing. Avoid baggy or boxy items and choose outfits that flatter your figure and align with your personal style. When you feel great in what you wear, that confidence will shine through and elevate your overall presence. Remember, your best look starts with how you carry yourself and embrace your individuality. Number 5. Enhance your features with makeup. Makeup can be a powerful tool to highlight your natural beauty and emphasize your best features. Want to draw attention to your eyes? A touch of eyeshadow, eyeliner, or mascara can make them stand out and appear more captivating. If you're aiming to highlight your smile, a bold lipstick shade can add vibrancy and charm. For those days when you'd like to smooth out blemishes or soften the appearance of wrinkles, foundation and concealer can give your skin a flawless finish. While natural makeup is often perceived as the most attractive, the most important thing is to create a look that reflects your personal style and makes you feel confident. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or a bolder approach, staying true to yourself is the key to radiating beauty and authenticity. After all, the best makeup is the one that makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Number 6. Master attractive body language. Standing tall with good posture is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to convey confidence and grace. To achieve this, elongate your spine, roll your shoulders back, and hold your chin slightly up. When you stand or sit with confidence, it signals to others that you're comfortable in your own skin, which is incredibly attractive. Combine this with open body language, leaning forward slightly when engaging with others, making eye contact, and keeping your arms relaxed at your sides. These subtle gestures create a welcoming aura and make people feel drawn to you. Beyond physical gestures, adopting a positive attitude elevates your overall attractiveness. Positivity has a magnetic quality. It shows resilience, self-assurance, and a zest for life. Try to focus on the good in situations, share happy moments, and encourage others. When you're positive and confident, people will naturally be drawn to you. Number 7. Show off your personality. Be kind and friendly when talking to others. Smile or say hi to people you meet. Ask simple questions like, "How's your day?" or "Did you watch the game?" to start a conversation. Show interest in what they say, but keep it casual. If you see someone who needs help, lend a hand. Kindness is always attractive. Do things you enjoy and have fun. When you're happy, people notice, and it makes you more appealing. Having hobbies also shows you're interesting and confident. Celebrate what makes you unique. Whether it's a fun hobby like baking creative desserts or making jewelry, share your passions. Being yourself is what makes you special. Number 8. Practicing self-care. Take care of your skin to keep it healthy and glowing. Wash your face every morning and night with a gentle cleanser and use a moisturizer afterward. For specific needs, try products like eye cream for wrinkles, acne cream for blemishes, or lip balm for dry lips. Eat healthy meals to look and feel your best. Fill half your plate with vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with grains or starches. Snack on fresh fruits or veggies, and drink 8-12 glasses of water daily to stay hydrated. Exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. Pick something fun like walking, dancing, swimming, or a workout class, so you'll stick with it. Staying active improves your fitness and boosts your confidence. Conclusion: the best part? You don't have to compete with every woman in the room to look better. You just need to stand out in your own way. Stop trying to follow every trend or fit into someone else's mold and start creating your own. That's how you win. And before you click off to go spend $500 on Sephora's new drop, visit the link in the description right now if you want to know how to make him fall for you.